Okay, today I'll show you how to fix the problem of fighting dock station in Robovac L70 hybrid. So one common problem with this Eufy L70 is that it cannot find the docking stations. So after a few months of use, the robot start to get wear away, and sometimes it cannot find the docking station, and it's just wandering around, doing nothing, and just useless. So this happens when the laser sensor is blocked by dust or some object. But to fix this problem, we should need to clean the sensor that is used to detect the docking stations. So the sensor is located behind this bumper, and we should need to clean this sensor. But to do this, we need to open it. So in here you can see there are 4 of the LED look like. So this is probably a combination of laser and a sensor that it used to find docking stations over there. So we need to clean all of this LED look like thing. So you can use a soft cloth to clean it up. So here I already cleaned it. And then we also need to clean this window because it can have some dust in here, and then it cannot find a signal. So once we done that, we put it back.
Charging.
Okay, so you find the docking station. Now we can see if it can do a smaller cleaning.
Charging.